I'm Dr. R.D. Patil, look after the production of Marshall Breeders. Marshall Breeders is a basic poultry breeding company located in Nasik. We are the one, we have pioneered the poultry breeding in India. We produce the chicks which are acclimatized to the Indian climate and which are doing good in all tropical climates compared to other breeds available from the European countries and America. So our breed is most preferred breed in tropical countries like Middle East and Far East Asia and in India. We do the research on the feed conversion. We want to produce the broiler meat at the lowest cost, where with the and livability we should have the less mortality compared to other breed. So we do our research on these lines. In India, bird flu is not means this is anytime we have the bird flu, you have to cull all the flocks, and India is at least in only in far eastern part of the country we get bird flu, but not in southern part and western India, northern India. We don't have bird flu, so we don't have to do research on the bird flu. We want to produce the broiler which will have the less mortality, maybe up to 6 weeks 3%, 4%, with the minimum FCR of around 1.5 and gain the weight of around 2.4 kilos in 28 to 30 days. That's our objective. Is this to produce the bird for the Indian climate, which will be producing the broiler meat at the lowest cost of production. No, we are participating since last 5 years, from the first year, and every year we are seeing there is good acceptance from the farmer community for this show, and every year the participation is increasing, our visitors numbers is increasing, and we are getting good feedback from the customers at this exhibition. We can meet many customers at one point and advertise also. No, organizers, they are doing changes every year, and we are satisfied the way they are.